Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the previous owner's Apple ID account without the password. Now, if you just bought an iPhone and they forgot to sign out of the Apple ID, you can see at the very top, if I tap on my name here, I'm signed in. However, if I go through the process of just tapping on sign out, it will ask me for that Apple ID account password. And if you don't know it, or maybe it's your account and you forgot the password, you have a couple options. The first thing you're going to do is go back to the beginning of your settings, and we're going to scroll down until we find screen time on this list. And then scroll down on here. If it says lock screen time settings and there's a screen time passcode, you need to turn off that screen time passcode as the first thing that you're going to do. The second thing let's check is let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from the beginning of your settings, you can tap on your name or the other account's owner's name. And now from here, let's choose sign in and security, that second option. From here, you'll be able to see the email addresses and phone numbers, and under security, it says change password. Tap on that, and it will immediately pop up with a screen that says enter your iPhone passcode. This is the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone, not the screen time password. It's not the Apple ID account password that you might have forgotten or don't know. So just enter in that passcode here, and you'll be able to see after I do enter that in, it says choose a new password, but this is your Apple ID account password that you can just reset. However, if this doesn't work for you, another option is just to reset the entire iPhone. To be able to do that, we can scroll down and just tap on General here. And then we're going to scroll down towards the bottom and you can see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on that. And now we're going to choose Erase All Content and Settings. This will erase everything, and you can see here Apple account will be signed out. So let's hit Continue here, and you can choose whether to keep the eSIM or delete the eSIM. Let's say keep the eSIM. Again, type in the passcode to unlock this iPhone, and then it will factory reset it. You can always just log back in to your Apple ID account or create a new one. If you don't know the password on your old one, that's an option as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.